In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roku not connecting to Wi-Fi. Step 1. Reset network connection on Roku. Press Home on your Roku remote. Navigate to Settings, then System and Advanced System Settings. Select Network Connection Reset and confirm. Go back to Settings, then Network, then Setup Connection. Choose Wireless, select your Wi-Fi network, enter password and connect. Step 2. Check signal strength. Go to Settings, then Network, About, or Check Connection. Check Wi-Fi signal strength. If the signal is weak or poor, move Roku closer to the router or remove physical obstructions. Step 3. Restart devices. Unplug your Roku device from power for 10 seconds and plug it back in. Unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds, then power it back on. After reboot, try reconnecting your Roku to Wi-Fi. Step 4. Change router Wi-Fi channel. Log into your router admin page, usually 192.168.1.1. Find wireless settings and change the Wi-Fi channel to 1, 6, or 11 for 2.4 GHz. Save and reboot the router. Reconnect your Roku to the updated network. Step 5. Avoid interference. Keep Roku and router away from cordless phones, microwaves, and Bluetooth devices. These devices can cause Wi-Fi interference. Step 6. Update Roku software. Go to Settings, then System, and then System Update. Select Check Now and install available updates. Restart Roku and test your Wi-Fi connection again. Step 7 is a factory reset. This is your last resort, if nothing else helps. Go to Settings, then System, Advanced System Settings, then Factory Reset. Confirm and wait for Roku to reset to factory defaults. Set up Roku and Wi-Fi again and now it should work fine. And that is how you solve your Wi-Fi connection issues on Roku.